Good morning and welcome everyone to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the one of the error of the YouTube, which is error 503, which we face when we try to subscribe a channel, a particular channel like mine's. In my channel, there is a problem that if anybody is trying to subscribe my channel, he is unable to subscribe. So today I'm gonna tell the solution of this problem. This is my other main account, and when I'm trying to open my account, which in which I'm facing the problem, so this is that account. So now I'm gonna take the link of this video and I'll open it from another account. This is the link. So now we'll open my another account and try to subscribe this channel from that account. So we have put the link and this is the video. Opening the video and we'll try to subscribe this channel. Clicking on the subscribe button. See this, there was a problem with the network. There's no problem with the network. This problem is faced by every third to fourth YouTuber, and it could only be solved by YouTube itself. My friend who faced this problem was unable to solve this. He finally decided to contact YouTube and he mailed them, and it took around 1.5 month to YouTube that they solved the problem. So I recommend you, if you are a new YouTuber, you can just simply open another account, because waiting 1.5 month means a lot. That's totally wastage of time. If you have some subscriber, they will just leave your channel, and nobody would be able to subscribe your channel. So I recommend you to open a new YouTube channel. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share.